Everyone, this is Denas from DAN Parts. Here's a little review on 2005 Mazda 6 after accident. This vehicle has been rolled a few times. Just want to show you the roof frame, how strong it is. But it's up to you to decide it if this vehicle is safe or not. So as you can see, it looks good to me. How I know they was driving fast and rolled it a few times. So here we go, and most important, just want to show you inside in here. As you can see that the driver's side airbags not deployed, and passenger side airbag on the front not deployed. Only thing I can see is side roof airbag has been deployed. The seats airbags intact. Even the driver's side airbag on the top of the roof was not deployed. Where is the most damage is. So it's all up to you guys to decide it if it's safe or not to drive one of those vehicles.